कांग्रेस के अपने पार्लियामेंट उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी ने मुतालबा किया कि मरकजी हुकूमत हैदराबाद विजयवाड़ा कौमी शाहराह 65 के 6 लेन के काम मुकम्मल करे। उन्होंने लोकसभा में इस मसले को उठाते हुए कहा कि कौमी शाहराह 65 तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश को जोड़ती है। उन्होंने कहा कि शाहराह की 4 लेन के तौर पर तौसी का काम कई बरसों पहले मुकम्मल किया, उसके बाद 6 लेन का काम शुरू किया गया, लेकिन इसमें काफी ताखिर हो रही है।
Adjacent to National Highway 65 and no land acquisition is required. We once again appeal to the Railway Minister to sanction a direct railway line from Hyderabad to Vijayawada via Suyapet and Kodad and provide high-speed rail connectivity. Sir, through you, I wish to appeal to the Railway Minister that the proposed railway line between Dornakal and Miryalaguda via Mudigonda, Nelakondapalli, Kodad, Huzur Nagar and Nedcherla. I wish to request the Railway Minister to consider early completion of the detailed project report and early commencement of work on this line. So through you, I'd like to bring to the government's notice that this is a very high potential area, being the hub of cement manufacturing in India and also of rice milling in India. This railway line, when completed, I'm talking of the railway line from Dornakal to Miryalaguda via Mudigonda, Nelakondapalli, Kodad, Huzur Nagar and Nedcherla, will also give you a good return on investment, and the line itself will be economically and financially viable for the railways. So through you, I wish to appeal to the Railway Minister. A goods train is now running from Jaggaypet in Andhra Pradesh to Melacheru, to Mattampalli, to Janpad and to Miryalaguda. Only a goods train runs on this route. We had been appealing